Once the system is in place, you may start making up to $4,000 per month in passive income by simply copying and pasting common photos. There is no selling involved, no referring of customers, no affiliate marketing, no followers, and social networking is not necessary. It's a very unique strategy that is easy to understand and quite powerful. It is available and cost-free anywhere in the world. Stay to the very end to view the comprehensive directions and illustrations and to learn all of my insider secrets for rapidly multiplying your money. You can make 3 times as much money as those who leave before the finish. Take care to pay close attention, ensuring that none of the additional advice is missed. Watch the video right away. I'll show you how to copy and paste simple images into Google in a moment so you can start making money online. Pay close attention so you can fully understand everything. Start by entering the phrase "cute animals" into the search bar on Google.com. Select the Images button from there. This will direct you to a page with a collection of adorable animal pictures where you can learn how to use a very specific website and a unique method to make a lot of money online. To continue, go to this website, teespring.com. On this platform, which is totally free, you can create a variety of e-commerce products that you can later sell online. You don't need to talk to anyone. It's much easier than you may think. You simply need to copy and paste the images into teespring.com, as I previously stated. Your designs will automatically be printed onto a range of garments, t-shirts, and designs when you upload them to Teespring. As you can see, teespring.com has a large selection of goods. Simple images can be uploaded, copied, and pasted, and they will help you print them on different t-shirts instantly. There are tens of thousands of original designs on teespring.com. You may sell a variety of items on Teespring besides t-shirts by simply copying and pasting photos, as shown in just a few examples above. They also sell socks, caps, backpacks, and leggings. There are even phone cases, accessories, and mugs to choose from. Teespring assists you by pre-manufacturing all of the t-shirts and different designs, making them, and assisting with shipping to 180 different nations across the world. Print on demand is the concept underlying this revenue stream. You can launch your online business and design studio on teespring.com because they offer 2 or same-day shipping options. You can start earning 5 or 6 figures on Teespring. This is the way it works. You may create a product right away by just using the Teespring launcher and clicking the Start Designing button. I'll show you how to upload and paste a number of photographs onto your computer or mobile device to begin creating different t-shirt designs. You can build a wide range of product categories on teespring.com once more. After successfully generating your product, you'll go on to the next phase, which is to boost sales. Utilizing their current network, a tool or partnership integration are your options. Don't worry, I'll give you some extra tips at the end of this video on how to boost sales and convince many people to purchase your design. You can do so without having any selling or referring experience or technological skills. All foreign orders will be manufactured, shipped, and fulfilled for you by Teespring. They even help you manage customer service, and their team is trained to accomplish that. You only need to collect the money you earn from Teespring. To effortlessly copy and paste some very high-quality images from Google, such as all of these lovely animal photographs, all you need to do is create a product. I'll show you exactly how to do that in a moment, but first, go back to Teespring's home page. You may join up for the top global creator platform on this page by clicking the Start Designing button at the top. Enter a few simple details, such as your name, brand name, email address, and password. Prior to clicking this Sign Up button, you should click the I am not a robot button. After you've entered your personal data and made your account, we'll go on to the next phase to get things underway. You must select a name for your first Teespring store before it is built. After inputting any name, click the Continue button. I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video so far before we delve any further. Also, if you enjoyed and learned something from this video, please comment below. You must introduce yourself to them by simply outlining your position as you advance to the next level. You have the choice of becoming a marketer, a content provider, a designer, a company, and more. In this case, I merely choose content creator. Any one of these social media accounts must be connected to the social platform in order to establish your identity as a real human. Any social media platform, such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, Twitch TV, YouTube, and Instagram, allows you to make your choice. After selecting one of these social media accounts, merely click the Continue button to quickly access your online Teespring store. I'll show you exactly how to copy and paste so you can start doing it. All you have to do is click on this red button to start creating products. It will take you to this website where you can browse a variety of popular product categories. You'll receive a ton of recommendations for what's popular right now, such as joggers, fanny packs, and face masks. Other well-liked categories include digital, apparel, and accessories. You can simply browse the numerous other themes and goods that are offered below if none of these categories appeal to you. I'll put it into practice by using this design, which is a long-sleeve t-shirt. Simply click this Start button to explore the long-sleeve t-shirt category. The fact that you can choose from subcategories like classic, premium, and organic is even better. The prices for the classic are $13, the premium are $17, and the organic are $19. I'll show you how to begin with the classic, which is the best option in this video. Click this button to start designing. Your t-shirt must have a picture on it. In the center, we must paste an image to which we will apply our design on the t-shirt. Go to Google once more and perform a similar search as I did at the beginning of the movie for cute animals. One of these images must be chosen. Since there are many cat lovers in the world who would be eager to purchase any design, let's use the term cat as an example. For instance, a t-shirt featuring a picture of a cute kitten on it. The only things left to do after selecting the cat image are to save it to your computer, take a screenshot of it, and transfer it to your phone, both of which are cost-free. You must click on this button in order to upload an image and select the image with the cat that you just chose. Once you've successfully uploaded your image, it will show up on the t-shirt. You can drag and drop the images to reposition them, or you can drag them to make them larger. For instance, make it slightly larger to accommodate the box in the center and set it a little lower. By copying the Google image and pasting it on teespring.com, you can quickly create a design. Before continuing to the next phase, a product color selection is necessary. For example, you could choose white for your t-shirt. You can scroll down below to choose a price for your goods. They will typically suggest a price of around $30, and you can profit $15 off of each sale. Once more, Teespring will automatically help you promote and sell the t-shirt. With hundreds of thousands of visitors each day, millions of people purchase for various clothing items and t-shirts on Teespring every single month. Over 20 million individuals visit teespring.com each month to purchase a t-shirt with the design of their choice, according to the data on the same page. It's called the Global Ranking Worldwide. That's exactly why I love this website so much and how even a novice can get started right away. You can only keep $15 of the proceeds because Teespring assisted you in marketing and selling the goods. You can also read the advice. Most creators price this product about $29.99, which means that if you priced your goods slightly cheaper than other sellers, say at $25, you would make a lot more money. A very good profit margin can be obtained by simply copying, pasting, and submitting photographs. You can make $15 profit without doing anything, selling anything, getting a recommendation, or having any technical knowledge. Simply click the Continue button at the bottom when you are satisfied with the design. Your outfit and design will be shown off on teespring.com in this way. I want you to go to facebook.com so I can give you another bonus tip to increase sales even more. Everyone who is watching this probably has a Facebook account. Visit Facebook and type cat lovers into the search field. Then choose Groups from the drop-down menu under Filters to continue. By clicking this Group option and then selecting Public Groups, you can instantly filter all the results related to cat lovers groups that you can join. There are simply a ton of cat lovers groups that you may join. Take it for granted that selecting this group will take you to this page. By scrolling down below, you may find a wide range of other cat enthusiasts from all around the world sharing various cat-related photographs, graphics, and movies. By publishing a simple design to this group, you can generate a lot of sales without even having to communicate with anyone. They are a highly well-targeted traffic group because everyone who joins is a cat enthusiast. Once more, clicking on this blue icon will allow you to join the group. Post a description of your t-shirt design in the Facebook group to boost sales. Just like that, you may copy and paste simple images to make a ton of money online. The end of that. Take a look at my other videos if you enjoy this type of material, and if you do, hit the like button. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Please feel free to ask more questions in the comments section below. Until the next video, take care.